So how do you create the WhatsApp username on the iPhone? Let me show it to you how it would work. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So at first, I would go to the App Store and make sure that you have the WhatsApp latest version of the app. So you can go there, and if there's an update available, just click on update so you get the latest features, especially, whenever there is a new change like this. So now we open up the WhatsApp like this, and essentially what you want to do is to click on the U section in the bottom right corner. So click on U, and here are all of the things which you can manage, like the subscriptions and settings and so on. But we want to make changes to the profile, so we tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner, and we'll see what exactly is going to happen. And right now we have the name in here, which is just the name, how you show up. Then we have the about section, so you can type in like a description of your profile, and there below we have the username. So you can see you can click on a reserve username like this, and usernames are coming soon. Reserve yours today. So as you can see, it's not even rolled out officially just yet, but in here you can just create one, right? And you can control some other things. You can type in the name for yourself, and that's how it's going to work, right? It's going to check if it's available. For me it is, so I'm going to hit save, and that's the one which is going to be like pre-reserved for me. So that's essentially it. That's how you're going to do this. Just keep in mind that this wouldn't be possible if I didn't update the app before, simply because it wasn't there. So make sure you do this, and that's how you'll be able to get it. So let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.